Hello friend, this is Hitesh Patil. Welcome you to the Mathematics Factory. So today, after reading the title of this video, you get an idea that today I am going to share one trick to find the inverse of a matrix. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So students, as you know, to find the inverse of any matrix, we have to do the row transformation or column transformation, find a minor, cofactor, adjoint of a matrix. It includes lot of calculation, and lot of calculation means lot of time. So to save the time of calculation, I am sharing one trick to find the inverse of any matrix, which hardly take 1 minute to find the inverse of any matrix. So let's start. In this trick, I am taken one matrix of order 3 by 3. I name it as A. As you know, the basic formula of finding the inverse of matrix is A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, so first step in this trick is you have to find the determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to 1 into 2 minus 6 minus 0 into 0 minus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus 2. So 2 minus 6 is minus 4 minus 0 minus 2, that is minus 6. So this is a determinant of matrix A. Now in the next step, what I am doing, I am writing this matrix as it is. So 1 0 1 0 2 3 1 2 1. Now pay attention properly. In next step, what I am going to do is I am writing these two columns, that is column 1 and column 2 as it is. So 1 0 1 0 2 2. Okay. Now next step, these two rows R1 and R2 I am writing here 1 0 1 1 0 0 2 3 0 2. Okay. Now in next step, what I am doing, I am just eliminating this first row and first column. So I am just ignoring this first row and first column. Okay, and concentrating only on these elements. Okay, and in next step, I am doing cross multiplication. So just see how I am doing the cross multiplication. So 2 into 1 into 2 minus 2 into 3. So that is minus 4. Next, 2 into 1 minus 0, that is 2. This way. Now 0 into 3 minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2. Okay. Also notice one thing, that I am doing the cross multiplication in vertical way. I am writing in a horizontal way. Okay. So remember this thing. Now in a second row, 3 into 1 minus 1 into 0, that is 3. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 1, that is 0. 1 into 0 minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Next, 0 into 2, that is 0. Minus 2, that is minus 2. Next, 1 into 0 minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. Next, 1 into 2 minus 0, that is 2. Okay, so this new matrix is nothing but our adjoint of matrix. So directly apply this formula, standard formula of A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So determinant of A we already have, that is minus 6. So 1 upon minus 6 into adjoint of matrix, that is minus 4 2 minus 2 3 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 2, which is nothing but our inverse of matrix. Likewise, you find the inverse of any matrix within less than 1 minute. So do share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is Mathematics Factory. See you soon.